Hello, welcome to 11 Codings. Today we are going to discuss about the project and report for reverse engineering. So, uh, here is our report, reverse engineering report. Like and subscribe our channel. So, what is reverse engineering? It is a process of representing objects. Here is a definition of reverse engineering. Four case studies are first of our automotive parts about Royal Enfield silencers. This is the company silencers. This is our manufacturing silencer. Second case study is home applications. It is simple, like in normal condition, work from home, we cannot comfortably sit in the chairs. This is our normal chairs. So we have modified with the cross verified chair. It is a really good example of reverse engineering. Our next case study is Windows 10 versus Windows 11. We cannot install Windows Android app on Windows, so Windows 11 comes with better UI. So this is our general UI of Windows 10, and we get better experience of UI in Windows 11. This is right click action center. This is right click UI. Very nice UI from which benefits of Windows 11. In near future, Windows 11 is building PC software, Android software in desktop. Windows 11 is trying to bet is Windows 11 is trying to build a simple OS in all the current working like PC, tablets, and many more. All system in one OS. It's easy to use and is a user-friendly UI. Yes, Windows is getting better and better. Our case studies for is of electronic circuit. Many times what happened that old people having better knowledge and of electric, but after he died he cannot saw anymore. So we have to do reverse engineering of that bulb. So here is the normal bulb which we are using at home. So we have made bulb more smart, like we have made Bluetooth and battery in it, and we can operate. Here is the electronic diagram of AND gate and OR gate. Here is the some example, very good idea of using smart bulb with like flashing random color rapidly. It can operate with your music beats and weather system. Hence our it is used for our case study. There are four case studies. Here is a binary ninja tool. So here our next tool is binary ninja. Binary ninja is a debugging software from which you can modify hacking software of binary ninja. So here all expensive UI of binary ninja. You can view from the data link in this box. You can download it and use this software. So it is basically a software from you can get a half of the code. It is used for cracking the software, one to like password bypass software. So our next software is Fiddler. Fiddler is just a web server monitor. The traffic that comes on your website, it monitors the website traffic and how the protocol is how from which protocol is the user can search your website and by which platform people are using your website, and all things we can monitor from this binary ninja. Hence hence Fiddler is a very nice software tool for monetizing the website. It is very useful for web developers. Hence this is all for case studies and two tools that you can use in your project and report for your college reverse engineering subject. Hence like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, then write down in the comment box.